Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Saloni, an early years educator, and I've just started this YouTube channel, and slowly and gradually I'm building upon my YouTube community. So far the videos that I've created are all about how to develop reading skills in children of about 2 to 7 years of age, and if you haven't watched those videos, I'm linking those in my description box below. Well, from today I'm starting a new YouTube series which will talk about how to celebrate festivals with primary children and pre-primary children. So it's about the age group of 2 to 8 years of age, how to celebrate festivals with them in online classes and also at home. So I remember when I was a kid, and the festivals, especially Dashera, Diwali, Holi, these were my favorite because there's so many memories attached to these festivals, and due to the ongoing COVID scenario, most of us are not able to enjoy those memories or relive those memories with our children. So I felt, hey, let's not let COVID stop us from reliving those memories with our children, and that is why I am creating this festival series. And the first festival that I would be talking about is Dashera. For the parents and teachers out there, these 6 activities that I will be sharing now are very doable, are very easy in the online scenario as well as at home. So the first basic tip that I have is start with narrating stories of Ramayana to the children. Just go back to your own childhood when we, our dadis, our nanis, our dadus, nanus, they used to नरेट दी स्टोरीज ऑफ रामायणा. और मुझे ये भी याद है डीडी नेशनल पे उस टाइम पर रामायणा और महाभारत आते थे, उनके एपिसोड्स आते थे एवरी संडे. सो आई यूज्ड टू गेट अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग और मैं अपने नानू के साथ बैठ के वो देखती थी. और नानू बहुत कुछ बताते थे कि सीता जी कितनी स्ट्रॉन्ग थी. रावण जी, डिस्पाइट being such a wise king, such a humble king, he made a mistake that he took away सीता जी फोर्सफुली. सो उनकी एक गलती से कैसे पूरे उनकी लाइफ का रुख चेंज हो गया, उनके पूरे किंगडम का रुख चेंज हुआ. और there is so much that comes to my mind. So I'd suggest that while you're working with your children, narrate stories of of Sita ji's, Lakshman ji's, Ram ji's, Hanuman ji's life to the children. Ask them what they already know about Ramayana, because the children who will be in primary school, they would already have a lot of information about Ramayana. So along with showing them cartoons which are readily available on Ramayana right now, open a storybook with illustrations and talk to the children about different phases depicted in Ramayana. For your ease, I am leaving a few links to these storybooks in my description box. I have read a few of these storybooks which are readily available on Amazon right now, and you can buy those storybooks and get this activity started. Now, after reading the storybook, my next strategy that I like to share with you is integrate it with music. Because the children of this age group, they learn the best through doing, or music, arts, theater is very enjoyable. So they love being part of activities, and which is giving them an opportunity to get into an experience. So integrated with music. मुझे हाल ही में ही एक बहुत अच्छा एक वीडियो मिला जिसमें पूरी रामायण की कथा गाकर सुनाई गई है. पूरी कथा बताई गई है कि राम जी की लाइफ में क्या हुआ, सीता जी की लाइफ में क्या हुआ. और I played it for my children in my classroom and they were ecstatic. They really connected with music and they could actually understand the real story, the events of Ramayana. So for that link, for that video also, I'm linking that in my description box below. If you'd like, you can use that video. Otherwise, there are so many musical Ramayanas available on YouTube. You can just try any one that you'd like. And moving on, after doing story, after getting your children familiarized with the events of Ramayana, the third thing that you can do is integrate the activity with arts and crafts. You can ask your children to pick any favorite characters from Ramayana and make puppets or different kind of crafts around it. I'm again linking a few crafts ideas with this video, and I'm leaving the links to those crafts in my description box below for your reference. Please have a look. These crafts could be as innovative as your children want. At the same time, I wanted these crafts to be environmentally friendly, so you can ask your children, you can encourage your children to recycle paper, to recycle newspaper, to recycle plastic, and make these crafts out of it. So all the crafts that I'm encouraging, I'm sharing with all of you, are made out of recycled material, so you can try that out. Now the fourth tip that I'd like to share with you is integrate theaters into it. Now what you can do is, after integrating story time, music, arts, integrate theater with it, wherein you ask your children, ask about 5 to 6 children in an online classroom to prepare a role play. I did it myself. I have executed this myself in my online classroom. So what I did was, I asked my children to volunteer. So about 7 to 8 children volunteered for this role play, and we used to stay back for about 20 minutes after our online classroom, and these children are of 6 years of age. So we all used to stay back, and जो मेरी पहली क्लास थी, मैंने उन्हें इंट्रोड्यूस किया कि हमने रामायण की कहानी के बारे में जान लिया। अब हम अपने और साथियों के लिए एक रोल प्ले तैयार करते हैं। तो उसमें सबसे पहले मेरा स्टेप था कि मैं रामायण की स्टोरी उनसे कहूँ कि आप एक बार कुछ जो मेजर इवेंट्स आप बताना चाहते हैं अपने रोल प्ले में, वो बताइए। तो 6 साल के बच्चे हैं, तो उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि हमें जो याद है, जो मेजरली हमें इवेंट्स हम जिनसे आइडेंटिफाई करते हुए हैं, वो ये है कि राम जी थे, लक्ष्मण जी थे, राम जी अयोध्या के थे और प्रिंस थे दोनों, और दे वर सेंट फॉर वनवास, एंड सीता जी भी उनके साथ आई। फिर रावण जी के पास मैजिकल पावर्स थी, वो गोल्डन डियर में कन्वर्ट हो गए, और उन्होंने सीता जी को बोला कि आप अपनी लक्ष्मण रेखा लांघ दो और आप मेरे पास आओ अगर आप मुझे खाना खिलाना चाहते हो तो। और इसी तरह तो जो मेरा फर्स्ट स्टेप था टुवर्ड्स प्रिपेयरिंग दिस रोल प्ले वाज टू आस्क माय चिल्ड्रन टू रीटेल द इवेंट्स फ्रॉम रामायणा दैट दे कनेक्ट विद। उन्हें क्या याद है रामायणा की स्टोरी से। तो उन्होंने जो मुझे बताया वो ये है कि राम जी और लक्ष्मण जी वर प्रिंसेस ऑफ अयोध्या, और सीता जी राम जी की वाइफ थी, और राम जी, सीता जी, लक्ष्मण जी को वनवास मिला 14 साल के लिए। दे वर सेंट टू अ फॉरेस्ट, एंड वाइल दे वर लिविंग देयर लाइव्स इन अ फॉरेस्ट, रावण जी आए सीता जी से मिलने, और रावण जी ने सीता जी को ल्योर करने के लिए एक गोल्डन डियर का भेष लिया, और राम जी गोल्डन डियर को पकड़ने चले गए, वाइल रावण जी took a disguise of a sadhu and he asked for भिक्षा from सीता जी, और सीता जी ने लक्ष्मण रेखा को पार किया, और इसी तरह से रावण जी took सीता जी away, and then Hanuman ji helped Ram ji in having a battle against Ravan ji, and Ram ji won Sita ji back, and the day Ravan ji was killed, that day we celebrate Dashera, and the day Ram ji, Sita ji, Lakshman ji come back to Ayodhya, we celebrate Diwali. तो जब बच्चों ने ये कुछ मेजर इवेंट्स बताए रामायणा से, सो मेरी स्टोरी तैयार हो गई। फिर मैंने उनसे पूछा कि आप वॉलंटियर करो कि आप कौन सा कैरेक्टर कौन प्ले करेगा। थोड़ी बहुत हेल्प के साथ सबने अपने अपने कैरेक्टर्स लिए, कौन राम जी बनेगा, कौन सीता जी बनेगा, एंड देन वी स्टार्टेड राइटिंग डायलॉग्स. And for dialogues, first, because of the age group, they are very young, I didn't want them to write dialogues completely. So in the first 2 to 3 rehearsals, I wrote dialogues. उन्होंने अपने dialogues बोले कि कैसे वो इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे अपने डायलॉग्स. दैट वी रोट इन द स्क्रिप्ट वर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ड्रिवन बाय चिल्ड्रंस थॉट्स, and they suggested what they wanted to be as a part of their script. So it was very easy for them to remember those, to retain those in their memory. Second of all, those dialogues were completely age appropriate. When I say that, what I mean is that they were, the reading level of those dialogues were level appropriate. The length of the dialogue was short, keeping in mind that the children should be able to look at their script during the role play in an online classroom and read the dialogues if they have forgotten what to say. Because the idea of the role play was not to stress them out, was not to ensure that हर बच्चे को रटा हुआ हो अपना dialogue. That was not the idea of the role play at all. Rather, the role play was done just to include theaters and some fun and some masti, so that the children really enjoy being a part of the celebrations of Dussehra with their teachers and other friends in an online classroom. And I remember the day we had to do this role play in the classroom, the children came so prepared, and believe you me, it was a delight to watch them perform. They all had their scripts in front of them, they all came dressed up, and just to identify with their characters, and the kind of confidence that they displayed, my god, it was a delight, it was a treat to eyes. So I really recommend this strategy, this activity to all the educators out there. And this activity is tried and tested. If I can do it, so can you. If my children of 6 years of age can do this, then so can your children. Please give it a try, and do write back to me in case you do this activity in your classroom, and how you found it, how your children reacted to it. I would love to know that. Now, coming to our sixth strategy, which is called show and tell. It's a very popular activity, show and tell, in which especially during the Dussehra celebrations, I asked my children to pick any character from Ramayana, either come dressed up as that character or bring anything related to that character and talk about it with your friends. The children can pick a craft that they might have prepared with you, or sing a song that they might have prepared during the music class with you, or do a dance performance on any music related to Ramayana. So it's a perfect culmination to understand that what all children learned during this entire celebrations on the Dussehra. So it's a brilliant activity that gives an opportunity to a child to first share his or her understanding on an assigned topic. Secondly, he or she gains confidence to talk in front of an audience. Thirdly, it helps them in organizing their thoughts to prepare for a speaking piece. This activity served as a wonderful culmination to the Dussehra celebration. Please go ahead and add these activities and strategies to your lesson plans, or to your at home plan for your children to celebrate Dussehra this year. Let's not let this pandemic prevent us from enjoying this festival of Dussehra to the fullest. With this is Saloni signing off. Please take care. Have a wonderful Dussehra with everyone at home and at your school. Bye bye. Take care.